Sticking with the topic of Proposition Q, we've asked people on both sides to share top reasons to vote for and against the tax hike. Our commentary segment is called Op-Ed. First, favoring the TRE is Ivana Neary, Senior Director of Partnerships with Up Together, a nonprofit that provides financial aid to low-income families.
Hello, I'm Ivana Neary, Senior Director of Partnerships at Up Together, an organization that partners with families across Austin to build economic and social mobility. Every day, I meet families who are working hard to stay housed, care for their children, and contribute to this city. They don't need charity, they need stability, and that is exactly what the tax rate election Proposition Q helps make possible. After nearly $200 million in federal cuts, this measure restores local funding for the essentials that keep Austin running: housing, public health, emergency response, and neighborhood services. Importantly, it provides permanent funding for the Family Stabilization Grant Program, a people-centered investment that helps families avoid falling into homelessness. When families can cover rent, childcare, or an unexpected expense, they stay employed, kids stay in school, and our neighborhoods stay strong. The cost of doing nothing is higher for families and for the city. When we prevent a crisis, we protect stability, dignity, and opportunity. Proposition Q helps Austin do both: respond to emergencies and reduce how often they happen. This is choice about the kind of city we want to be, one that turns compassion into policy and ensures everyone has a chance to move forward. I'm Ivana Neary with Up Together, and I support Proposition Q because when Austin invests in its people, our whole city thrives.
For the opposing view on the tax hike, we hear from Mark Ramseur, Chairman of the Board of Directors of the Austin Chamber of Commerce.
Hi, I'm Mark Ramseur, Chairman of the Austin Chamber of Commerce Board of Directors. As Austinites get ready to vote on November 4th, we want to help our community understand what the tax rate election means for residences and businesses. Proposition Q asks voters to approve a 16.9% property tax increase, the largest in nearly 20 years. While we all value strong city services, the Austin Chamber does not support Proposition Q and encourages voters to vote no on this measure. Here are three key reasons why. First, affordability. Property taxes in Austin have gone up more than 300% since 2004. This new increase could add hundreds of more dollars a year to the typical homeowner's bill, raise rents for tenants, and increase operational costs for local employers, making Austin less affordable for families. Second, economic context. This proposal comes at a time when local indicators like housing, office demand, and sales tax revenues are showing slower growth. Families, renters, and businesses are already having to manage higher costs for everyday expenses. And third, fiscal responsibility. Before asking taxpayers for such a large increase, the city should first look internally for cost savings and operational efficiencies. The proposed $6.3 billion budget already includes $415 million in new spending and more than 100 new city positions. As you head to the polls, we urge you to vote no on Proposition Q. Together, we can keep Austin affordable and ensure the city uses its resources responsibly for the good of residences, businesses, and our community's future.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave us a comment below to let us know your thoughts on this video. And don't forget, you can watch full episodes of Austin InSight for free in the PBS app.